This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to get Ghost Rider in LEGO Marvel Superheroes 2. To begin, you'll need to journey to the Asgard region of Chronopolis. Once there, seek out Ghost Rider himself, who can be found near the volcano. He'll present you with a side mission, explaining that he desperately needs help finding a new, fitting motorcycle. This is your first step to unlocking this fiery character. Once you've accepted Ghost Rider's quest, your next task is to gather information. You'll need to speak with various civilians scattered around Asgard. Listen carefully for hints about a merchant selling two-wheeled carriages or a specific bike shop. After collecting the necessary clues, you'll follow Ghost Rider, engaging in battles with several enemies along the way to his new ride. After a thrilling journey, you'll arrive at the bike shop. Here, you might have a few more small objectives to complete to finalize the mission. Once these are done, the Ghost Rider character token will be officially unlocked for you. Your final step is to navigate to the character select screen or any character hub in the game and purchase Ghost Rider to add him to your roster. To fully acquire Ghost Rider, be prepared to spend 250,000 in-game studs. Additionally, his signature flaming motorcycle, a fantastic vehicle for free roam, can be purchased for an extra 25,000 studs. Ghost Rider is a valuable addition, offering unique abilities like fire manipulation and a powerful chain whip, making him excellent for both combat and exploration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.